talking president card.
Yes. Got another card. Caught it from Grandma, too.
This is, let me guess, Hannah Montana?
I don't think so.
Snoopy.
But I definitely can't tell that you just woke up.
Thank you for everything. Cool. I wouldn't trade you for everything. Seventh
Quite true.
happy birthday, love, Grandma.
Yeah. Mwah.
That's sparkle glass.
You came through the door like Kramer from Seinfeld. Cut me a little off guard, little girl.
Oh my God! Is this yours?
She's going to start with little ones.
It's all mine. Can you open them for me, please?
Bless you.
What's this one?
We don't know anymore.
We forgot.
Bless you. How old are you today?
7.
Wow. Big stuff.
Oh my.
What's that?
Floaty.
Oh.
A floaty just in time for pool season. Why don't you show it to the camera here? Yeah, that's the big one. It has handles on it.
Ooh, handles on it.
Yeah, just in case you feel like you're gonna drown.
Yeah. Or the boys try to tip you over. What's that? What is it? A kickstand for your bike!
Cool. You can stand up by itself then.
I've seen those on motorcycles.
Motorcycle.
A new basket for my bike!
Whoa!
Far out.
Good job, Grandma! There's other stuff in it too, honey. Look.
What you got? And new bike tails.
New bell.
Yeah. It doesn't look
There's,
like
yeah, a new bell because someone broke yours.
It
Wow.
doesn't look like
And
that.
these go on the handlebars.
Oh, new thingies for the handle. See these? These guys go on your handlebars.
Pretty, pretty, pretty.
Wow.
Pretty, 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 pretty.
That's it?
No, not it.
No, I'm talking about sitting
Oh.
there.
Look at you, little girl.
It's that kind.
That's not for me. I don't know what
Not
that
for
is.
you.
Will you help her? Because you're
Yes.
half asleep here.
It looks cool.
Oh.
That's for Mama, honey. You got flippers
A mask
and a snorkel.
and a snorkel for the pool. How cool is that?
You got your flippers, honey.
How cool is that?
And what about that? I know what these are, nails.
No, they're not just any nails.
Yes, it is.
Those nails smell like strawberries.
Wow.
Do they stick on without the sticky things?
Well, we'll find out.
These guys are lip gloss.
Here,
This is probably a new umbrella for me.
I don't know. Check it out.
Scented nails. Strawberry scented nails.
Wow. Fingers smell good too.
No.
No, this is not.
What's that bad boy? A bubble wand.
bubble wand.
Hello.
And you go like this and the bubbles go all over.
It makes huge bubbles.
Oh my god. This must be a Monopoly game here. Because because that's so big, it's so fat too.
I think you're a little bit wacko.
Don't make something for Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Aha, very funny.
That is a whistle that blows bubbles. So you can
Wow.
walk around blowing a whistle and bubbles will come out. And all the kids
How
will be
cool is
like,
that?
what the heck?
What?
Nice reuse of the Easter basket. It's a nice touch.
How do you open this? Oh yeah. This is from Playhouse Disney. Hannah Montana. This is a picture of Hannah Montana.
Why don't you read what it is?
Sticker card fun pack. Look for foil, glitter, and mirror stickers.
So they're cards and stickers
Wow.
of Hannah
What's in
Montana.
the little box, I wonder?
Oh, that's for Mom.
No,
No.
I'm just kidding.
I already got my mom necklace.
Oh yeah, then why is it in the same box?
Duh, it's on my neck.
Sometimes we reuse boxes,
Yeah.
especially if they're nice ones.
So this is for me. I wonder what it is. Let me check. Ooh.
You get a
That's so
you got a necklace
beautiful.
too.
I wanted the heart that has 2 angel wings.
Boy, you're just a joy this morning. aren't
No, it's like,
you? Jeez, I'm recording this.
what's not?
People are gonna be like, oh, how precious.
Wonder what's in there. Oh.
How'd you guys know I wanted it?
You made it pretty clear.
Yeah.
You made it pretty clear.
Can you show the camera what it is you wanted?
Turn it around to the camera. There you go.
Lulu's walking kitties.
It
So she has
purrs.
baby kitties.
It purrs, meows, and makes biscuits on you like real kitties. Digs her paws into you. Pet her. Hard.
Potato's so little. And she walks too. By herself. She's like a My Little Pony.
Yes, she walks.
Take her out of the box.
It's her back. Push her back.
Oh, she purrs.
Oh, it's so cute. Can we take it out of the box
I
now?
love animatronics. Why don't you finish up the presents?
You put this on. What's in that big